Danny Forts with the rejection-free formula. No calling, no chasing, no convincing. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use GVO and their Facebook Connect button on your opt-in form for FunnelKit. Now, you could use Aweber. Matter of fact, on some of my other forms, I actually have used Aweber, and that's the one mainly I use. But Aweber doesn't have a Facebook Connect button, and that was one of the things I realized with GVO that I could use because, to be honest with you, I never really used my GVO autoresponder. I had set up a couple things, but I had never used it. And when I figured out that I could use this for this particular thing, I was like, golden score. So if you don't know anything about GVO, GVO is a hosting company, and I wish I had taken the time to really understand how you could, like they say, host and profit. Basically, for $9 a month, you can build five. You can have 5 different websites on there, complete. And your thing is, once you learn how to build websites, squeeze pages, this, that, the other, you can actually rent them out to local businesses or whoever needs it. Maybe it's even people on your team. So there's a variety of different ways that you can use GVO to make money. But anyway, if I go in here, and this is in my autoresponder here, this is already one that I have ready to go. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on this Facebook button. And what happens is this funny form code. Now I can't change this form code from here, but I can put in a custom button later on. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy that, get rid of it, and then I'm going to go over to my funnel kit and where we have the autoresponder. So I go over here, and all I'm going to do is I just paste this right there. Boom. Now I'm using GVO's Facebook button at the moment, but I'm going to just show you what this looks like and how quick that was. And it made me look like a jackass. I don't know what just happened. Did I not save it before? Weird. I didn't have this problem before. And I'm not going to go that route. I don't think I did this last time, but who knows? This is interesting. Very interesting. Alright, well anyway, here's what I am going to do. I'm going to go to media because I already know I have a button in here. And let me find it. Here it is. Let's see what happens if I just change. I'm going to copy that. Oops. I'm going to go back to FunnelKit. And we're going to go here. And step 3. Oh, I realized. Sorry, guys. I do realize what happened. Okay, once you're in step 3, you still have. This is the thing that kind of trips me out every time about this, and I always forget. So once you put your autoresponder code in, you still have to come and put it on the page in your container. I always forget this. So here's what happens. When you're over here, you see that you have your data reach. I need to go change that now. I need to go back to where are we? Step 3. I'm going to uncheck that. I'm going to save that. I'm going to come over here to step 4. And it's going to say opt-in form. Okay? See how that changed to opt-in form? Now I come over here and I put this right under that. And that should do it. Now I save. Let's refresh this. There you go. Now that's the original GVO button, and that's why I didn't like it, because it's way too small. So for me, I'm going to go back to step 3 because I had already copied the button URL, and it's right here. And all I'm doing is copying this, and I'm pasting the button that I put in, that I have on the website, hosted. And then we go over here, and all I'm going to do is refresh this, and this button should be a lot bigger. Now, yes, that's bigger in the fact that it's covering up all this other stuff. I could go make this smaller, and it's really easy to do. So this is good training by accident. So let's see if I do this, and I'm going to go here to edit, and we're going to edit image, and we are going to scale image. And I definitely want this to probably shrink down to, let's say, half of that size. So let's do this. We're going to do 40. We're going to scale that. No, I don't like that. Restore original image. Okay, so that was too much. So let's do 60 and see if that works. That would work. I think that'll work good. So I'm going to hit update here. I'm going to copy this URL right here now that it's saved. We're going to go back here, edit. We're going to go to step 3. Step 3, we are going to change this this link right there. You paste that there, hit save, and guess who is done, or should be done. Yes. Man, you can see all this here. That's the container that is around there. So I have two choices at this point. I can either go back to Pixlr because my image is still here, right? And literally go on this layer, take this layer, oops, not that one, this one, and I just lower it all the way to the bottom. I obviously would have to move this as well. Okay, I would have to go cover up at least this particular chat box because we wouldn't want that to just look half-assed like that. So let's just do it. So you guys got some extra good training out of this too. Certainly doesn't hurt, I'll tell you that much. There we go. Okay, so it looks like it's still a chat feature. So now I'm going to go and I'm going to save this JPEG. We're going to call this FB BG. Desktop. Okay. So we save that to F. Now we go back to our step 1, and all we're going to do is upload the new one, which is this one, FB BG. And we should be good to go from here for sure. Boom shakalaka. Now obviously on my other one I had like I said, the other one, this part was a graphic and I didn't do that, but I can do that in a separate training video that I'm also going to use for Pixlr as well. So that is pretty much how FunnelKit works, and I know this is a really simple one, but it looks cool. You can do this with Warrior Forum, you can do this with whatever backgrounds, maybe even your company, whatever you want to do. And like I said, this was another one that I had made, and this was the first plugin. It's FunnelKit. It's an awesome plugin to make all kinds of ridiculous squeeze pages, guys. Click on the link below. Get your FunnelKit plugin. It's $17. Yeah, that's the $17 secret strategy underground marketers use to capture 47 salivating subscribers every single day. So make sure you click on the button and get FunnelKit, and tomorrow I'm going to show you that other plugin. So take care, have a fantastic day, and God bless.